Hello students, today we are going to start your next chapter. It's chapter 17. Chapter 16 we have left already and that will be your activity. You have to make an activity in your main English copies. Your topic will be the white marble mausoleum. That means Taj Mahal. You have to write everything about Taj Mahal, how it was made, when it was made, and who made that, each and everything about it. Now, we will not take that chapter. No question answers, no explanation, anything. Just make an activity of it. That will be your Diwali homework also, and you have to make that chapter's activity. Now we are going to start your chapter 17, Potloy. Mike, do you know what a potloy is? I don't know. Is it the name of a dish? No, Mike. It's a traditional costume of Manipuri people. Let's read and find out. Really, Sammy? When do they wear a potloy? Gracie and Pavneen were neighborhood friends. They loved to play together, visited each other all the time. One evening, Pavneen went to Gracie's house. She saw that Gracie was helping decorate the house. Why are you decorating the house? Pavneen asked her. Bharti Didi is going to get married next month, Gracie said. Wow, that's amazing news, Gracie, said Pavneet. Let's find Bharti Didi. I want to ask her all about the wedding. Bharti Didi was in her bedroom. Congratulations, Bharti Didi, said Pavneet. Are you excited about the wedding? Have you got your dress yet? Now, Gracie and Pavneet are neighborhood friends and they love to play with each other. दोनों ही एक दूसरे के साथ खेलना बहुत पसंद करती थी. अब पवनीत जो है ग्रेसी के घर आती है और ग्रेसी से पूछती है कि तुम घर को क्यों डेकोरेट कर रही हो. तब उस ग्रेसी ने बताया कि उसकी भारती दीदी की शादी होने वाली है, इसीलिए वो उसकी घर सजाने में तैयारी कर रही है. भारती दीदी laughed. Thank you, Pavneet, she said. I'm going to wear a potloy. When she saw Pavneet's puzzled expression, she continued. It's a costume worn only for traditional ritual purposes. It's worn as a bridal costume only for the wedding ceremony of the Meiteis of Manipur and during the Ras Leela dance performances, one of the national dances of India. अब यहाँ पर पवनीत भारती दीदी से पूछ रही है कि वो क्या पहनेंगी अपनी शादी के दिन. तब भारती दीदी ने उसे बताया कि वो पॉटलॉय पहनने वाली हैं, क्योंकि पॉटलॉय तभी पहना जा सकता है जब या तो किसी की शादी हो रही हो या फिर रास लीला डांस जब मणिपुर में परफॉर्मेंसेस दिया जाता है, जो कि एक नेशनल डांस है, उस समय पर. That's really interesting, said Pavneet. Do all costumes look the same? No, Bharti Didi explained. The potloy is intricately woven to suit the demands of the trend. I'll show you a picture on the internet. Pavneet listened to Bharti Didi very carefully. She was happy to learn about the Manipur traditional costume. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful, she gasped when Bharti Didi showed her an image on the computer. Tell me more about it, she begged. Potloy and the cumins were worn as the costumes of Ras Leela dance, which was presented by the Manipuri people to the world. भारती दीदी ने पवनीत को बताया कि मणिपुरी डांस के समय पर पॉटलॉय पहना जाता है और वो एक तरीके का रिचुअल भी है कि जब भी किसी लड़की की शादी होती है तो उस समय पर उसे वो पॉटलॉय ही पहनना होता है. ये एक पुराना ट्रेडिशन है वहाँ का. It was introduced by the Srijot Maharaj Bhagyachandra, but it has undergone many changes since its inception. The costumes and decoration of the Ras appeared to the king in his dream with Sri Krishna's blessings and were brought to Life by Bhagya Chandra Maharaj. After consulting with experts and scholars, Bharti Didi explained, Bharti Didi, is there a traditional dress for the groom too? Pavneet asked with a sparkle in his eyes. पवनीत ने भारती दीदी से पूछा कि क्या दूल्हे के लिए भी कोई एक स्पेशल ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस होती है? तब भारती दीदी ने बताया, यस डियर, मेन वियर पगड़ी. वो पगड़ी पहनते हैं, जैकेट और धोती कुर्ता. भारती दीदी रिप्लाइड, क्लिकिंग ऑन अनदर इमेज सो दैट पवनीत कुड सी द ग्रूम्स कॉस्ट्यूम. अब पवनीत को उन्होंने इंटरनेट पर वो सारी कॉस्ट्यूम्स दिखाई. Pavneet smiled. Can I wear this dress for my wedding? She asked shyly. Oh, Pavneet, this dress is only worn by Manipuri people on their wedding day. भारती दीदी ने पवनीत को समझाया कि ये सिर्फ मणिपुरी पीपल ही अपने शादी के दिन पर पहन सकते हैं. भारती दीदी replied, looking at Pavneet's disappointed face, but you can wear an inapri and fanek on my wedding day. अब भारती दीदी ने उससे कहा कि तुम मेरी शादी पर इनाफी और फानेक पहन सकती हो. भारती दीदी knew that Pavneet was confused. An inafi is a shawl worn on the upper body and fanek is a wrap around skirt like a sarong. She explained, it is another traditional hand-woven dress of Manipur. I'll get you a new Manipuri dress for my wedding, she promised. भारती दीदी ने उसे कहा कि तुम मेरी शादी पर इनफी और फानेक पहन सकती हो. Pavneet beamed at her. Thank you so much, Didi, she said, giving her a hug and rushed to tell Gracie about it. Bharti Didi promised to get me a new dress for her wedding. Can you believe that? She exclaimed. Pavneet, we will wear my traditional dress. We can even wear identical dresses for Didi's wedding. Gracie replied, let's go and ask mom now. That's no problem, Gracie's mom said. You look like twins. Pavneet rushed home to tell her mom about Bharti Didi's wedding, the potloy, inafi and fanek. Her mom called Gracie's mom straight away to congratulate her on Bharati's upcoming wedding. She gave permission to Pavneet to wear an inafi and fanek to Bharati's wedding. पवनीत तुरंत अपनी माँ के घर गई और उनसे ये सारी बातें बताई. और पवनीत की माँ ने भारती की मदर को कॉल किया और उसे कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट किया और उसे परमिशन भी दी कि वो पोटलाय ना पहने बट वो इनफी और फानेक पहन सकती है. The day of Bharti's wedding arrived. Pavneet and her family attended the ceremony. Bharti's house was decorated with flowers. Everyone had dressed in colorful inafis and faneks. Congratulations, Bharti Didi. You are looking gorgeous in the potloy and cumins. Pavneet complimented her. Look, Mom, this is a potloy, a traditional wedding dress of Manipur. Isn't it beautiful? She said, gazing at the intricate designs on the dress. This dress is beautiful and Bharti is looking amazing in it. Her mom replied, you are also both looking amazing, said Gracie's mom. These colorful patterns look beautiful on both of you. Pavneet, you should visit Manipur with us after Bharti Didi's wedding, said Gracie. Gracie ने पवनीत और उसकी मॉम को भारती दीदी की वेडिंग के बाद अपने घर पे इनवाइट किया. We will visit the temples and watch the traditional Ras Leela dance performance. You will enjoy it. उसने रास लीला परफॉर्मेंसेस देखने के लिए मणिपुर इनवाइट किया उन दोनों को. I would love to visit Manipur with your family, said Pavneet happily. And if the traditional Manipuri food is as good as it tastes here, I can't wait to try some more. अब वो बहुत खुश थी कि वो मणिपुर जाएगी और वहाँ के ट्रेडिशनल फूड को भी टेस्ट करेगी. That's all about your chapter. Question answers will be given to you afterwards. Thank you.